Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you another website which you can earn money online. So that any step, the best thing about this method is that this is available worldwide. Anyone can do this without any experience, and this is absolutely free. Don't need any money to do this. So it's going to be a packed video and you're starting right now. So before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video for new methods to make money online, you will be the first to know about the strategy, tips and tricks that you will be ahead of your competitors and start making real money. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and if you have any concern, questions or opinion about this video, please do feel free to leave a comment down below so that whenever I see them I can check immediately and accommodate you guys and give you all the information that you needed. So if you want my recommendations in order for you to make a full passive income online, please check my video description down below and I will share with you my message, my strategy and everything that I do to make a full-time passive income. So let's straight into the video. First of all, I want to go to this website feiwire.com. This website serves your music and ebook worldwide. Now you might be thinking, how can you actually make money on this website when you don't have music or ebook? So this is where the magic happens. I want you to follow me step by step. You have to sign up for a free account and then I will teach you how to find ebooks for free. Copy and paste and sell them on this website and make a lot of money. Signing up for a free account is easy, just putting your name and email address and click on get started. Make sure you verify your email address in your email inbox, and I want to show you another website which is freeplrdownloads.com. This is where you can find a lot of ebooks to upload. If you stick with me until the end of this video, you will learn everything. So you need to start making money. First of all, I went to the local categories and you can find a lot of different categories. It's very important that you watch very closely. I want to find free. People are using to be very careful when you're choosing a category. Always choose free PLR. Click on free PLR ebooks on the page, refresh and show you the correct category. I'm going to share with you step by step. But the next question is, which category should you sell and earn money and going to save a lot of time? And tell you to sell ebooks and on our category. So I wanted to click on the link right here and there going to be ebook about health and fitness. There are overnight pages and hundreds of ebook with you can download for free and you can sell them and it's very good price. So I will show you how much should price in this ebook. For an example, select a book for free. This is the free ebook that you can download and install them with no copyright meaning. It's okay for you to resell them. Scroll down and click on the download button. I want to show you another website where you can find thousands of products download for free. This is idplr.com. Now this website you can find free products like ebooks, software, videos and graphics that you can sell them for money. As you can see, their license which is completely free. So there are a bunch of different courses, products, books and videos that you can download and resell them on no fixed cost and to keep it personal. The profit from ebooks, and the best part about this website is that a partner of the law of the companies, because we are going to do the selling and marketing for you. And you want this all the books we get 10% and you get 90% on eBay, Boxer, Newcastle to earning every 24 hours. Going back to igpl.com, you can register now for free and quick register for free. And I'm going to show you the membership process. It's a gold membership and free membership. Free membership receive 250 prizes of access to basic training and new products added on a monthly basis. So just go ahead and click on here to register for free and just simply put your name and email address and your username or password and take on this and click I am not a robot and click on next. After registering, you can start downloading a bunch of different ebooks on this website. Again, I want to focus on health category. Now in the search option, it can help you going to find a lot of different things that you can be said there are no so many things and that you can resell and download for free. And then you can go here to sell them. The more you upload, the moment you are going to make lots of money. And the people are going to buy the best things about this. And you can download thousands of ebooks from idpl.com, find more categories, upload them and resell them to make money. And you are going to make. And before you go to make even more money, so pay close attention to go to abiforums.com, and this forums is a popular health and fitness for you going to find a lot of customers wants to learn about health and fitness. Guess what they have? Thousands of members like you every single day. They're in this forum because discussing anything about health and fitness. Now this is an opportunity for all. You can register for a free account, sell ebook on this forum, and if you're passionate here, go to feiir.com and wait for them and selling for you, and which is a good thing because it's a good income. But if somebody wants quick money and you are more time to do this, you can add to this form, promote and sell ebook. Just go on and click on the register button on the top right corner, putting your username and password, and click on I am not robot and click on the register. But before we end the video, you subscribe to the channel so that you will be the first to know about these strategy tips and tricks to make more money online. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on the next video. Bye.